Hi, this is Matt with the StoreAutomator customer success team. Here today with a video to show you how to create an Amazon template in your StoreAutomator account. First thing I want to do, just refresh you on what a template is. A template is what maps your data in StoreAutomator to the fields in the channel you're going to that match that data. So you have fields in StoreAutomator and they will match fields in Amazon. And what you have to do is you have to do that for items by category. So these are your categories, internal categories. And today we're going to be looking at making a template for eye makeup, eyebrow makeup. So first thing we're going to do to make a template is we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to templates and we're going to go to add template. It's going to give us a choice of what type of template we want to add. And today we're interested in Amazon. Within Amazon, there are two different templates. I'll show you how to use both. The first is XML. The second is flat. We're going to start with XML today. And so we're already selected on XML. What we're going to do is we're going to choose product data template. We're going to look for our category of interest. So since we're doing eyebrow makeup, that's going to be beauty, makeup, and that's it. We don't have to go any deeper. So we're going to call this Amazon Eye, and we're going to create. Once I've created the XML template, I can go ahead and edit it. And this is our field mapping template window. All of your default fields are already mapped by the system. So your field for SKU already mapped to SKU. Your field for description already mapped to description. Your field for bullet points already mapped to bullet points. So what we're capturing here is extra fields that Amazon might require that we did not map by default. So if we go ahead, click add field, one that might be counterintuitive is battery. In other words, is battery present? Because some makeup tools do use batteries. This is the sort of thing that Amazon might be looking for. And we have a couple of different ways we can answer this. We can link it to a field in StoreAutomator, and we just click on our source fields, go to our product, and they'll be alphabetical. If I start typing something in, it'll look for it. And if I type in BAT for battery, I see that we don't have any matches for that. Battery isn't a field that we've added to our makeup. When that's the case, and when I'm using the same answer for everything, I can just return a free text. And in this case, I know that Amazon is looking for no battery. So I'm just going to go ahead, type that. We'll return that for all of the items in this category. And it's added. We're going to go ahead, add another field, and we're going to do the product ID type. There are different product ID types in e-commerce, and there are a multitude of options to this. If you want to know what the options are, you can go ahead, click show possible options, and we'll tell you the fields that Amazon is willing to accept when there's a defined list. In this case, for product ID type, there's ISBN, UPC, EAN, ASIN, GTIN, etc. I can map this to a field in StoreAutomator that already exists. So I'm going to go product. I'm going to start typing product for product ID and product ID type. So that's an exact match to the Amazon field in the StoreAutomator field. So I'm going to click OK. Once I've mapped any fields that I need to, and you might find some of these by getting errors. So this could be a trial and error thing. You go to push an item. Amazon says you're missing a field. You add it. But once you're happy with it, you go ahead, click save and close. You've added the XML template for that category in Amazon. If you want to add a flat template, a little more complicated. First thing you got to do, you got to go to Seller Central in Amazon, sign in. And then you've got to go to the top left, click the three bars, hover over catalog, click add products, go to I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. And then you have to drill down to get the CSV for what you're interested in. So in this case, we're going to do beauty and personal care, makeup, eyes, and eyebrow color. And I would go ahead and select that. It would download a CSV for me. Once I have that CSV, I can use it in StoreAutomator to add the template. So I'm going to go ahead, Click Add Template again. I'm going to click Amazon again, and this time we're going to click Flat. All it's going to want from me is a name. I'm going to call it Amazon Flat. Click Create. I'm going to go ahead, edit that, and there are no fields available to map by default. Until I load the flat source file from Amazon, I'll just have a blank screen. I go over here to Amazon Flat Source File. I click to upload my file. I click my file. I click Open. StoreAutomator uploads it, grabs all the information out of it, and now I can get to mapping my fields. A lot of the fields will be filled in automatically. SKU, we've matched to SKU. Feed product type is going to be eyebrow color for everything. Brand name, we've already found brand name. But we will have some fields where we're just not sure. For example, manufacturer, right now that's a null. I need to go in and set a value for this. If any of these are null, when I go to upload it, it will not work. So I have to have all of these changed before I click save if I want a flat template to work. So if I wanted to fill in for manufacturer, I'd click the little pen to the right here. I'd look in product and I'd look for manufacturer. I'd see that that's not a field I had in my StoreAutomator data. So I'm going to go ahead, try supplier. Main supplier looks like a good match for manufacturer for me in my data set. So I'm going to click OK. And I would keep doing these till all of the nulls have been filled in. Once all of the nulls are filled in, I would click save and close. And I would have an Amazon flat template for listing new items from StoreAutomator to Amazon in the eyebrow makeup category. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for choosing StoreAutomator. Have a great day.